Welcome to our channel. In this video we will share with you some of our cars, fashion and fitness collection. Our first beautiful model in this collection is posing next to a completely restored Volkswagen bus, wearing an elegant evening dress that contours her amazing figure, and designer heels to complement her elegant and sophisticated look. Our next beautiful model is posing wearing a casual outfit that showcases her beautiful legs and black heels to add a touch of elegance. Our next beautiful model is posing wearing a mini dress that contours her beautiful curves, and nylons that draw attention to her equally beautiful legs. Our next beautiful model is posing wearing the same elegant dress she wore in another pose, and, as previously mentioned, the dress contours her beautiful figure while showcasing her lovely legs. Our next beautiful model is posing displaying a casual look wearing jean shorts, and a rolled-up long-sleeve t-shirt that displays her toned midsection. Our next beautiful model is posing portraying a super comfy stay-at-home look, wearing a mini dress and a long-sleeve sweater. She has her beautiful long hair to one side to showcase her beautiful facial features. For our last picture in this collection, our beautiful model is posing wearing a black miniskirt that contours her beautiful curvy figure, trendy nylons that showcase her beautiful legs, a black sports bra that showcases her toned midsection, and unbuttoned jean blouse to give her look a casual effect. Thanks for watching everyone, have a wonderful day.